touching you slowly. Love how you hold me. I was a player, that was the old me. I sent to pay ya.
I don't like when I catch them out the corner of their eyes. Look all hypnotized. I don't mind when I catch you stand me all the way down to my thighs. Makes me realize that I'm shy and just a little awkward, but you bring it out of me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with I don't know if this is going to be like a review or a tutorial, but I am going to be reviewing or talking about this wig that I'm wearing. And so let me just stop talking. So I got this wig from JAJA Hair, or you know how like Jose is spelled with the J but it's pronounced Jose, so it says JAJA, so maybe it's pronounced JAJA Hair. Like I don't want to like say the name wrong, so I'm gonna say both of them, JAJA Hair or JAJA Hair. It's an Amazon company. I'm not sure if it's an AliExpress company, but I did order this wig from Amazon and they had free one-day shipping with Amazon Prime. I'm not sponsored by Amazon Prime, but get it, it's clutch. Especially like when you just feel like needing something and you don't like, it's not in the store, or like you can't find that specific item in the store, so you kind of like want to have, let me stop talking about Amazon Prime because they ain't giving me no coins, okay, period. Anyways, I am going to be talking about the hair and just sharing like, you know, information about it. So first of all, I feel like it's an easy, like just like throw on your hair wig. Let me stop lying. It didn't take me but like an hour to put it on. It just depends on how you wear your wigs. I use the glue to put my wigs on. Some people have like glueless wigs. I feel like this one could go as a glueless wig. It's not, it doesn't say glueless in the title. I really don't even know what glueless means, because like every wig I have, even the ones that say glueless, I put glue on it. So I'm not even gonna talk about glueless. It didn't say glueless in the title, so I'm not even gonna say that it's a glueless wig. But however you wear your wigs, it's very like versatile, especially if you bleach your knots. So I definitely bleached my knots. So this is a 13x6 frontal wig. It's straight hair. I don't know why I was under the impression that it was like body wave, because I did bleach my knots and then I had to wash it. So when it air dried, it was kind of like wavy. It wasn't straight. Like this is the natural state of it. Like I didn't put any heat on this or anything. I just literally like brushed it into a ponytail. So this is the natural state of it. It's straight hair. I'm pretty sure it would have been better if I straightened it, but I didn't want to put any heat on this hair. I just wanted it to be in its natural state, because I feel like I'm always coming on here like reviewing products after the fact, like after I wash it, or like after I put heat on it, or after I pop some curls in it. So I just kind of wanted to be like a little bit more realistic about, you know, the texture of the hair. So I know y'all probably laughing at me because y'all probably thinking like, what the F is, what does she got going on? Like, why is this in a little kindergarten ponytail? Stop, don't judge me, okay? This is a 16-inch wig and I'm just gonna show y'all how it look down, okay? This is how the wig looks if I was just going to wear it in its natural state. Okay, of course, like you can pop a part in there. Let me just part it. It's the middle part, right? Middle part, boom. Exactly. If y'all seeing what I'm seeing, you know it's not gonna work, even if I like straighten it or whatever. So when I get wigs, I already know just by looking at the wig, that if it is or it isn't gonna work. So the style that I had in my head for this wig was just like a slicked bun or ponytail type of thing, because it's 16 inches. Like, y'all know I don't deal with short hair. If I'm dealing with short hair, it's a bob. But this is kind of like an awkward length, because, you know, if you just want to straighten it. So if I would bone straighten this, I go to school, so I wear a backpack. My purse is a crossbody purse, so chances are this hair could get creased. You know how like when you have hair that's past your shoulders, like you move your shoulders a lot like throughout the day, and then you look at your hair like, oh, well, I got this crease in my hair. I don't like the shoulder crease, period. So if I was going to wear this hair down and not in a ponytail or a bun, I would even it off to be like a little bob, and then that like just defeats the purpose of ordering hair that's 16 inches if you're gonna make it 14 or 12. You feel me? So I don't want to damage this hair, and I don't want to come on here looking cute with like a bob reviewing a 16-inch wig, because that's not realistic, you know what I'm saying? So this is the length of the hair. I did not cut it, I didn't trim any ends, I didn't do anything to this hair. This is how it is. Now on Amazon they do have options to get longer hair, but this was a, I don't know, sponsor. They pay for the wig, so I just went with what they paid for. I didn't want to be too picky, and you know, why not try like different styles or whatever. So I, just me being the person that I am, I would not wear it like this. I literally just explained why. Don't know why I'm explaining myself again, but hey, this is, if y'all don't follow Glow Princess, like she has like, I feel like I see her everywhere. If y'all know who that is, y'all need to stay in tune with the social media hair. I don't know, like I feel like everybody knows she is. But this is paper that it came with, and that's really all. It came with some wig caps too, but I'm not gonna go get those. Just the standard like brown, you know, stocking cap things to put under your wigs. So yeah, so I want to I'm just gonna show you how I put my, because all of my wigs are not full lace for 360 wigs. 360 wigs can go up in ponytails. Full lace wigs can do just about literally anything. But this is neither one of those. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, which means just like this part is like lace, like the rest of it is not lace. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna show you how I put my lace frontal wigs in ponytails or just like in up styles, because it's not meant to be like that. But you know me, I don't know, I just be going for stuff. So basically all you're gonna need is a scrunchie. Can y'all see that? Scrunchie, a brush, and I use this even foaming lotion. And I also have like this to like, you know, do my baby hairs. But what I'm going for is a very natural look. I feel like you can get away with anybody thinking this is your hair if it's like 16 inches or lower, like most definitely. But when you start getting like 30 inches, like it's like clockable, like girl, it's not your hair. So let me just show you how I do this. Let me scoot over because the mirror right here. But really, like, look at that, y'all. Plus I did that, me. Then you can just take your brush, and I guess I didn't have to use the foaming lotion, but most of the time when I like do my hair like in up styles, I definitely have to use this just so I can make it like hold in place. But this one, that's how bomb this wig is. You don't have to use anything. So I'm just kind of pulling my baby hairs out, swooping them. Oh, I forgot to mention that you also need some lip gloss. All right, and that concludes the look or this tutorial. This was like the shortest, this was the shortest freaking tutorial ever. But it's an easy, natural, simple style. Let me show y'all the back. If the back look whack, just make that up also, you know. If the back look whack, y'all, don't fire me up. Bruh. How I got the back to stay down. Basically, I just took some needle and thread and I kind of like just sewed it to the cap that I have under here. And yeah, I also added my own elastic band so it could be like tight. Like if y'all watch my other videos, y'all already know that I add elastic bands and I bleach my knots. Those are things that I just have to do with any wig. And I also put makeup on my lace to make it like blend in even more because I'm a bit extra. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell y'all. So I'm gonna do a more detailed video, but I just want to run this by y'all just in case y'all see it in this video. These lashes that I am wearing, they are a part of my lash collection, and I will be selling lashes. I have 6 styles, and this style is Lovely. It's called Lovely, and I don't know. If you're interested, be sure to follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat because I'll be giving like, not giving, I'll be showing you know, behind the scenes stuff that I don't post on Instagram or YouTube. You'll see on my Snap. Okay, so again, this hair is from JAJA or JAJA. It's an Amazon company. They do offer Amazon Prime, and if you're interested, I'll leave all the information in the description box. Literally, I'll leave everything about this hair in the description box. And if you have questions, you know, don't hesitate to comment, DM me, I don't know, email me, because I'm gonna answer, period. All right, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.